We've spent the day at CAL FIRE headquarters learning what you can do to better protect yourself from wildfire smoke. Even if you're not in an evacuation area, you can still be impacted. People see the fire and big flames, but don't always think about how the smoke might affect them.
The smoke can take you out well before the flames do, and it's important to have a plan.
Thomas Schutz with CAL FIRE recommends having an N95 mask in your go bag. If you don't have a mask, you can use a cotton t-shirt to cover your mouth and nose. Goggles can also be helpful to protect your eyes.
And the biggest challenge we see is some of these large fires, these smoke plumes will stay for days at a time, really affecting the area. Might not be as big a deal to folks who aren't as sensitive to the smoke, but a lot of people are, and that's really concerning.
Smoke inhalation can cause an itchy throat, coughing, stinging eyes, and headaches.
If you have asthma and then you get that type of trigger or irritant trigger, that can turn on your asthma and make you wheeze and get short of breath and chest tightness.
Long-term impacts from wildfire smoke exposure can increase the risk of heart attack, stroke, and even lung cancer. As we know, these fires can burn for days or even weeks.
Following the air quality index is going to be a good indicator of where you're at least in the big picture.
When it comes to your home, it's important to keep your windows and doors shut. Set your air conditioner to recirculate to reduce smoke from coming inside. Jasmine Ramirez, CBS 8.